1 sets. Continue miscellaneous exercise 1. Question 8. Show that for any sets A and B, A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B and A union B minus A is equal to A union B. You have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side, either right hand side is equal to left hand side. I will take first part. A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. So in this right hand side I will take A intersection B union A minus B. A minus B, what you can write? A minus B. A minus B you can write A intersection B complement. See in Venn diagram. This is A. This is B. This is universal. This is A minus B. Or you can say that it is A intersection B. Both are equal. So A intersection B union A instead of A minus B I can write A intersection B complement. Now by distributive property you will get intersection over union है और A common है, you can write A intersection B union B complement. This is by distributive property. So B union B is universal set. B union B complement is universal set. So A intersection universal is A. This is left hand side. Now I will do second part. This is over. Now I will take second part. See on the board. Second part, A union B minus A is equal to A union B. I will take left hand side A union B minus A. So you instead of B minus A you can write B intersection A complement. So here you can write B intersection A complement. Use distributive property. Union over intersection A union B intersection A union A complement. This is distributive property. Now A union A complement is universal set. A union B intersection, instead of this you can write universal. A union A complement is universal set. So A union B intersection A universal, तो क्या आएगा? A intersection B के सारे एलिमेंट्स किसमें होंगे? यूनिवर्सल सेट में होंगे. So this implies A union B is equal to right hand side. Now I will take one more question, that is question 9. See here, question 9. Using properties of set, show that, again you have to prove by property. First part, A union A intersection B is equal to A. Second part, A intersection A union B is equal to A. A union B is equal to A. I will take first part. A union A intersection B is equal to A. So I will take left hand side. A union A intersection B. Use distributive property. A union A intersection A union B. It is union over intersection. Distributive property. Distributive property A union A is again A union A. क्या हो जाएगा ये? A union A is universal set. A union A is universal set. A union A. A union A is A. Intersection A union B. Now A union A is A. A intersection A union B implies क्या हो जाएगा? A union B और A का intersection लेंगे तो केवल क्या आएगा? A. This is right hand side. Now second part. A intersection A union B is equal to A. Now I will take left hand side. A intersection A union B. Distributive property लगाइए. A intersection A intersection A union B. This is distributive property. Now see here, A intersection A is again A union B. A का union A union B के साथ क्या आ जाएगा? A union here it is intersection. Here it is intersection. A union A intersection B is again A. That is right hand side. That is right hand side. Question number 10. So that A intersection B is equal to A intersection C need not imply B is equal to C. Need not imply B is equal. जरूरी नहीं है कि B is equal to C हो तभी ये होगा. तो अपन क्या प्रूव करेंगे? B not equals to C है तो भी ये हो सकता है. Now I can solve this question with example of taking set A, B and C. Let A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 3, C you can take 1, 4. Now what is A intersection B? A intersection B 1, 2, intersection 1, 3 is equal to 1. A intersection C. A intersection C 1, 2, intersection 1, 4. What is intersection 1? So this is equal. A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. So this is A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Now here you can say that B and C not equals. So it is not necessary that B is equal to C, then only this is equal. If B not equals to C, then also it is equal. Now another question. Question 11. Let A and B sets. Let A and B be sets if A intersection X is equal to B intersection X is equal to null set and A union X is equal to B union प्रूव कीजिए, प्रूव A is equal to this, you have to prove A is equal to B. So I will take this relation for prove this. So solution, I will take A union X is equal to B union X. This is given. If I operate distributive property with A, पहले A से लेंगे, with intersection A intersection A union X is equal to A intersection B union X. Now A intersection A union X क्या हो जाएगा? A union X यूनिवर्सल सेट होएगा और A उसका इंटरसेक्शन A के साथ लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? A intersection A union X is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? Instead of this you can write A and use distributive property in this. Distributive property A intersection B union intersection over union. So union A intersection X. Distributive property. Distributive property. Now you can see here what is the value of A intersection A. This is one. Use one. इसकी जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? Null set phi. A intersection B union phi. This is given to you. A intersection X is equal to phi given to you. Now what is the value of this? A is what? A intersection B का union लेंगे null set के साथ तो क्या आ जाएगा? A intersection B आ जाएगा. If A intersection B is equal to A, this implies A is a subset of B. This you give second question. Now I will operate this. इसको अब अपन किसके साथ ऑपरेट करेंगे? इंटरसेक्शन B के साथ. Then now B intersection A union X is equal to B intersection B union X. Now use distributive property here and here it becomes, इसकी जगह आप क्या लिख देंगे? B intersection B union X. ये क्या हो जाएगा? B union X is a universal set और उसका intersection B के साथ क्या बनेगा? तो इसकी जगह आप B लिख दीजिए और इधर आप क्या लगाइए? Distributive property. Use distributive property here. Intersection over union. B intersection A union B intersection A union B intersection X is equal to B. इधर क्या लगा है? Use distributive property. Use distributive property. B intersection X क्या हो गया? Instead of B intersection X, you can write phi null set. So B intersection A union null set is equal to B. So it is B intersection A. This implies B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. This implies B intersection A is equal to B. Implies B is a subset of A. This is 3. From 2 and 3, this and this you can say that A by A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C. From these two, from 2 and 3, we get A is equal to Question 12. Find sets A and B and C. Find sets A, B and C such that A intersection B intersection C and A intersection C are non-empty sets. Null set नहीं है. Sets and A intersection B intersection C is equal to null set. ऐसे कोई तीन सेट लेने हैं जो ये कंडीशन फुलफिल करें, A इंटरसेक्शन B, B इंटरसेक्शन C and A इंटरसेक्शन C are non-empty sets. Now let A be take 1 2, B I take 1 3. If C I take 2 3, then see the condition. What is A intersection B? 1 2 intersection 1 3 is what? 1 2 is 1. So not equals to 5. Null set नहीं है, non-empty set हो गया. B intersection C. B क्या है? 1 3. C क्या है? 2 3. It becomes 3 not equals to 5. Now A intersection C. What is A? 1 2. What is B? C. 2 3. So it is 2. It is also. तो ये क्या हो गए तीनों? Non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. Now check relation A intersection B intersection C. So A intersection B, A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B क्या था? 1. A intersection B क्या था? 1. Intersection C क्या है? 2 3. So 1 2 3 is equal to null set 5. कोई intersection नहीं है. So it is 5. We can say that A intersection B intersection C is equal to 5. So these are 3 sets. Question number 13. In a survey of 600 students in a school, students कितने हैं? 600. 150 were found to be taking tea. 150. 225 taking coffee and 100 were taking both tea and coffee. Tea and coffee. Find how many students neither tea nor coffee. Neither tea nor coffee. This you have to find out. First we have to find this. First we have to find C union T. It means number of students taking tea and coffee. This you can see in Venn diagram. This is T, this is C, and this is universal. Now what is common here? T intersection C is 100. If T is taking 150, 100 is here. Also taking coffee, 50 only tea, only 50 tea. Here 100 taking coffee and tea both. Only coffee is 225. So it is 125. चेक कर लीजिए, ये 150 होगा दोनों मिला के और ये दोनों मिला के कितना होगा? 225. Now we can apply this also. So the person who's taking tea and coffee is add these three, 50, 100 and this. Now see with the mathematical solution. And T union C is equal to NC plus NT minus NT intersection C. T union C is equal to C कितना है? 225 plus T 150 minus 100. It is 375 minus 100 is equal to 275. You also see this Venn diagram. It comes 275 and this is 600. Okay. So how many not taking, neither taking tea or coffee? इसमें से T union C घटा दीजिए. 600 minus 275 यानी कि 325. This is the solution by Venn diagram. This is mathematically. Now neither taking tea nor coffee is equal to 600 minus NC union T यानी कि 600 minus 325, 600 minus 275, it is 325. So this is the answer. One more word problem I will take. See here, 14th. In a survey, in a group of 100 students know Hindi. How many students know Hindi? 100. 50 know English and 25 both. How many students are there in a group? 25 know both. Each of students know either English or Hindi. How many students are in the group? H union E is what? And H union E is equal to NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. Now NH union E is equal to Hindi is 100, English 50 minus 25. Minus 25, it is 150 minus 25. 150 minus 25 is equal to 125. Question 15. In a survey of 60 people, how many people? 60 people. It was found that 25 read newspaper H. 25 read H newspaper. 26 read newspaper T. 26 read newspaper I. 9 read both H and I. 11 read both H and T. 8 read both T and I. And 3 read all the newspaper H, T, I. Now this I will point out by Venn diagram. Find the number 1, the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. The number of people who read at least one of newspaper. Second, people who read exactly one newspaper. People read exactly one newspaper. केवल एक ही पढ़ता हो. Now see here 3 types of newspaper H, T, I. Draw in Venn diagram. This is universal set. This is H. This is T. And this is I. H, T, now स्टार्ट करेंगे कॉमन एलिमेंट से. H इंटरसेक्शन T इंटरसेक्शन I, तीनों का कॉमन इंटरसेक्शन दिस इज 3. ओके, देन H and I. हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर? 9. 3 तो ऑलरेडी लिख दिया अपन ने, तो अभी तो कितने बचे? 6. नाउ H इंटरसेक्शन T, total is 11 and 3 I have filled it here, so remaining 8 plus 3 दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या हो गया? 11. now T and I is 8. 3 already filled, 8 में से 3 already filled. what is left? 5. okay, now how many elements in H? कितने हैं H में? 25. तो इधर कितने आ गए H में अभी तक? 8, 11, 17. 17 में क्या जोड़ेंगे 25 हो जाए 8। नाउ 26 एट टी में कितने हैं 26, इधर कितने आ गए टी में 8 3 5 कितने हुए 11 और 5 16। 16 में क्या जोड़े 10। इधर कितने हैं आई में कितने हैं 26। सो 6 और 3 9 14। 14 में क्या जोड़ूं टोटल कितने हो गए 14 और आई में कितने 26 चाहिए मुझे, कितने की कमी पड़ रही है 14 हो गए। 14 में 12 जोड़ दिए कितने हो गए 26। नाउ सी H25 you can calculate T26 and I is 26. Now see here the number of people who read at least one newspaper. At least one newspaper means you have to add all these. ये H वाला टीवी पढ़ रहा है कम से कम एक पढ़ना है। So at least one newspaper. At least one newspaper. Add it here. Add from here 8 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 3 plus 5. 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 12. So this is the answer of at least one newspaper. 8 plus 8 16 plus 10 26 plus 6 32 plus 3 32 plus 3 35 35 plus 35 plus 5 40 40 plus 12 52. So 52 people can read at least one newspaper. Now second part, people who read exactly one newspaper. Exactly means this, only this, not exactly one. I में this. H में कितने हैं 8. Exactly one newspaper. H में कितने हैं 8. I में T में कितने हैं 10. I में कितने हैं 12. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30 is the answer. Question 16. In a survey, it was found that 21 people like product A. 21 people like product A. 26 like product B. And 29 like product C. If 14 people like product A and B, 12 people like product C and A, 12. 14 people like B and C, 8 like all three products, find how many like product C. Only you have to find product C कितने like करते हैं हम only product C. Now use Venn diagram to calculate this, to solve this. This is a universal set. Three products are there, A, B, X. This is A, this is B, this is. Start from the intersection of three common elements. Where three common elements in this? Okay, इसमें A भी है, B भी है, C भी है. It is 8. Now A intersection B is 14. 8 is already here, so it is 6. C intersection A 12. So here it is 4. 8 already है 4. B intersection C 8 already है, here it is 6. Now we have to find only product C. So how many elements in C? 29. So 10 18. 18 में क्या जोड़ेंगे 29 आ जाए 11. तो only C कितना लाइक करता है 11. और अगर only A पूछे तो 10 18 and it is 26. 18 में क्या जोड़े? 8 जोड़े ना, only like A. अगर क्वेश्चन ये पूछता only like B, it is 22. 14 और 12 plus 8 20. 20 में क्या जोड़े कि 29 होता है 9. 9 only like this. If you add this 15, 15 and 24, 15, 8, 23 plus 6, 29. It is 29 and it is 26. A is 21 now. A is 21. A is 21. So it is 10, 8, 3, only 3. It is 21. It is 29. And it is 29. 10, 18, 29. So only like C. Only product people like C is equal to 11. 11 is the answer. अगर A पूछता तो 3, B पूछता तो 9.